Now guys, setting up your Aweber is very important. And what you want to do here is, obviously first you want to go to aweber.com. Once you do that, you want to log into your account. Right here, just type in your username and your password, log into my account. Once you do that, you're going to be brought to your back office. Now, what you want to do when you first get into Aweber, obviously this is an account with some lists already here, as you can see. But what you want to do is go to Create and Manage Lists. Or when you first subscribe, it might just actually ask you to create a list. So we're going to do this for example purposes. We're going to go to Create a New List. And once you do that, you want to name your list. You can name it anything you like. If it's already taken, it will tell you. You can put a list description, which is what the subscribers will see if they unsubscribe to your page. It's just a list description, nothing too important. You want to put your name as you want it to appear, your from name, and your address. It's recommended that you don't use like a Gmail or Yahoo email, and you want to actually use an email that you create through your domain name. So if you already created a domain name and you go to your back office, you can create your own email. Like mine is robertmercado.net, so I created an email, robertmercado@robertmercado.net. Notifications, you want to actually make sure you fill this out. You want to put your name and your email and then hit add, because this is the place that they're going to send you notifications every time someone has subscribed to your opportunity or your capture page, whatever it may be. So you definitely want to make sure you add that. Okay, and that actually can be your Gmail or your Yahoo or any sort of email out there. You want to go to Save Settings. Once you save settings, you want to then go to Confirm to Optin. Now, when you go to Confirm to Optin, you want to make sure on step number 2 that it is set to off. It's going to pop up a little window to disable Confirmed Opt-in. You want to hit yes. Alright, because that's just going to make your subscribers have to opt in through an email again, just to make sure that they're added to your list. So you just want to turn that off and hit Save Settings. Now, the last thing you want to do is you want to go to Messages and Follow-up. Okay, that's there on the top, Messages, then Follow-up. Now, you can create your own messages, but for example, with Empower Network, there is actually a list name. And what that is, actually, I'll get it from my other list here. It's a campaign code is what it's called, and I already have it here. And it's a campaign of 80 messages. Now, guys, you can use the same process for any program opportunity you're doing. I'm just giving you an example with the Empower Network. So you'll see here there's a list of 80 different messages that get sent out automatically on my behalf or your behalf. And this is the campaign code. Alright, so I'm just going to copy this, go back to my other list, and I'm going to leave it there on the screen in case you guys have to see it as well. And you guys can actually copy it. I'm going to put it on the bottom of this video as well, just so you guys can have that. And you can literally just copy and paste it. So you're going to go to Messages and then Follow-up. And then here, and use a predefined campaign, you want to just paste it right in there. Load campaign. Once you paste that in there, guys, that code, it'll automatically load the 80 messages for you, the whole campaign. Okay? So that's how you do that. That's real simple. And then what you want to do after you do that is you want to go to My List and then List Settings. Okay, once you go to List Settings, you want to go to Personalize Your List right here in the middle. You're going to scroll down to the bottom and you'll notice it has My Information here. You want to make sure you edit each category here and change it to your information. So here you change my name to yours, here my phone number to your phone number. Here you want to leave the website, but you just want to go to the back of the website and just replace the username. Alright, so let's say your username is, for example, I'll just make it Robert123. You just put Robert123 and then update it. And that's it. Do the same thing for this one, and then this one you're just going to put the username itself. Alright, so just follow through here Once you do that, guys, hit Save Settings, and you're all set. The last part you want to do is link it to the program that you're promoting. So, for example, with InPower Network, okay, I'm going to log in here for InPower Network, okay, and this is just one of the income streams here with Worldwide Workforce. So once you log in, and this goes the same for other programs, other opportunities, there has to be or should be a back office spot where you would actually put in your campaign Aweber list name. Okay, so you're going to go to My Tools here for InPower, and you're going to scroll down and go to click here to add your Aweber list name. Now, my list name is already there, so I'm going to leave that alone. But your list name, guys, is pretty much the name of the list that you make here. Okay, you can also see it in basic settings, the list name that you make here. Alright, so you just want to literally copy that and then paste it in here and then submit to change. I'm not going to submit it because obviously my settings are already saved, according to the list name that I created. But that's it, guys. That's all you have to do, and you'll be finished. Now, every time someone opts into one of your capture pages for InPower Network, you'll get a notification that you have a new lead subscribed. And as far as any other opportunities or programs that you're promoting, guys, you just want to find in the back office where you would put the list name to link that program or opportunity with Aweber. Alright, guys, hope that helped, and I'll see you guys in the next video.